Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Okay guys, this is some supplies that I received from Arteza. They contacted me and said that they would like to send me some of their art things to do a review on. And so these are the 5 items that I received from Arteza. So let's take a closer look at each of these items. All right, so this is one of the things that was sent to me by Arteza. It says a classic 2-hole battery operated pencil sharpener. Now, you guys know in my line of crochet world, I use pencils a lot, and I'm always having to sharpen my pencils constantly. And so this is a perfect thing for me to review. I did pick up me some 4 AA batteries. It did not come with the batteries. This says it's a light duty. And then here's the other side. And here's the back side. It says 2-hole battery operated pencil sharpener. And then there's where you can find them. And then here's this side. There's the bottom. And there's the top of the box. So let's see what it looks like when you open it up. So you do 6 and 8 and 9 and 12. Okay. Very nice. And it's not too big. It's just a nice size to have around. Okay, and it comes with the pencil sharpener user manual. All right, so here's our battery instructions. So it looks like they are on this back side. That's a nice sharpened pencil. Look at that. But look how well that sharpens. I've never had a pencil sharpener sharpen that good. Let's see what happens if I hold it up. Yeah, I think it's easier if I hold it this way. Okay, and then all you do is open this up to empty it. Yep, I think I'm going to love this. Thank you, Arteza, for sending this to me to do a review on it. You have made my crochet life so much easier. And this is really nice. It sharpens them really sharp. Look at that, guys. Really good. Okay, so now I've got all the pins in there. So there's all these pins. And like I said, this will come in. Oh, and then there's a extra slot here that hasn't been used yet. And I will use these pins when I design my crochet stuff. And I can also use them when I color in my adult coloring book. And let's see how well this holds up. Get that paper out of here. How well this holds up once I've got pins in it. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, thank you, Arteza. I love this, and this will definitely make my life a lot easier. Okay, so the next thing is these gel pens. It's 60 vivid colors of gel pens. Acid-free, non-toxic, 0.8-1.0 mm nibs. And there's the side. There's the back side. Apparently they have Classic, Premium, and Pro. Must be Premium. It's non-toxic, it says. Classic colors, neon colors, glitter colors, metallic colors. Okay, so it tells you right here you get
17 glitter colors, 10 neon colors, 6 rainbow colors, 3 classic colors, 11 metallic colors, 9 pastel colors, and 4 glitter neon colors.
So let's see what it looks like when we open it up. Look at that. That's some beautiful gel pens in there. There's the gel pen up close. Isn't that pretty? Okay, guys, this is 2 canvases. This is Diamond Art Kit. That's what this is. I like this little handle right here. It says it comes with 2 beach designs. Includes tools and bags. Intermediate diamond art. And then there's the 2 images right there. Very pretty. Here's your back side. And it looks like there's a few little instruction things right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in this. New to diamond painting, so I'm not familiar with all these terms. But I'm sure this is what you pick up the diamonds with and place on your thing. That much I know from watching other people's videos. Extra bags. And there's your sticky stuff that you put this on, and then you grab your diamonds. Okay, so here's the diamonds. Get a little sleeve. And they are numbered. 28, like this. And that's what you put them on. That's your, like every time you see a P, you go over here to the P, it tells you to use number 16. And then that's actually, I guess, the color number. Like if you need to order extras. And then there's some little instructions there. And this comes with, it's peelable, and then that's what you work on, that sticky there. So there's the beach scene. So there's the water with the sunset. So there is a little bit of a beach down here, it looks like. And then this one is really pretty. Looks like some cliffs, and then the water, and then the sunset over the water like that, changing the water. That's really pretty. And there's your close-up of how they look. This is very, very nice. Thank you, Arteza. So the last thing I got is this Diamond Art light pad and accessories kit. It says USB powered. One set includes LED light board, tools, and accessories. It says Diamond Art light pad and accessory kit. And it has low, medium, and high. Here's the back side. Apparently there's 22 pieces in here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This seems like this must be a felt thing that you keep the light board in. Nice. Okay, so this is the adjustable universal stand. Nice. The USB cord is to put your diamonds in. This is a cool bag to put, I guess, all these accessories in to keep up with them. Nice. So there's a tray to put your diamond art in. Look, there's 2 trays. Put your diamond pieces in, and about 4 of these sticky things. Clips. Nice. They included clips. And I think that may be where you pick several up at a time. A pair of these. And let's see. Okay, so you get, that must be what that is, and you get different sizes of that. That is really nice. Look at that. So I guess you can do like 2 diamonds at a time, a bunch of diamonds there, maybe 3 or 4 here. Yeah, and then you have this side you can work on. Very nice. I guess this is to help move them over, make sure they're straight. Do like this with them. Okay, let's see about the actual light board. And I'll have to read what this is. I'm sure it's to roll them down, make sure that they're on there real good. But I want to double check. Okay, and so this thing actually opens up. Very nice. There's instruction steps. So I had one of these blocks. I just plugged that into. This is a really long cord here. There's the first setting, the second, and the third. So I've got them clipped on there, and it does help you see these a lot better versus it like that. And there it is without light. And let's see what it looks like with light. That's the brightest. Yeah, it's definitely better, that's for sure. One of the things I noticed working with this is that when you're working right here, your arm tends to touch that off and on button, which changes the switch. So I'm thinking that if you're doing this, this needs to be lowered. See on some other channels that as far as these being rolled up like this, and you think, oh, they're not going to flatten out. I saw on some other people's channels that do diamond painting that when you, as you do these right here, put them on, it flattens your project out as you go. So that's, I guess, not a big deal. That the reason they can roll them up like that is because when they're laid, got all the diamonds on them, they flatten out. And I really like that this has the picture up here. And then there's all your symbols and stuff there. Pretty cool. And I'm just diamond painting away here. There's all my little, using the bag here with all the supplies. Got all my stuff here. Got a coloring book over there. So don't forget, guys, there is 10% off promo code. And I will put the text in the video here, and it will be in the description box below. And if you want to know any pricing on any of these items, they are in the description box. Just click on them. And there's all the pricing will be there, and it'll take you straight to Arteza. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.